Dogs are wonderful. They provide us with unconditional love and friendship, and they are always there for us when we need them. We all know dogs have been man's best friend for thousands of years. Our dog have always been our most loyal companions. Our dog is our best friend, our shadow. So it's only natural that we want to know as much as we can about them. Dogs can have a many positive effects on the lives of their owners. They have the ability to affect children's social, emotional, and cognitive development, promote an active lifestyle, provide companionship, and even detect imminent epileptic episodes or the existence of some cancers. Dogs can also assist individuals in reducing stress and anxiety. Even though dogs are common, they are nonetheless incredible. Something you'll undoubtedly agree with after watching this list of fascinating facts. So get ready to discover more about your canine companion. Dogs can smell thousands of times better than humans. In dogs, the region of brain cells that detect distinct odor is roughly 40 times larger than in humans. This means that your dog can detect far more scents than we can. Their noses have millions more scent receptors than humans. A human nose has 5 million, while a dachshund has 125 million scent receptors, making them helpful for sniffing out drugs, dead bodies, bed bugs, explosives, and other items. Dogs rely heavily on their sense of smell to locate food, potential threats, and pals, so it's no surprise that they sniff a lot. Their noses are built so the smell can linger in their noses while air moves in and out of their lungs simultaneously, allowing them to breathe freely while figuring out what the smell is. Also, medical detection dogs are a thing. Some dogs can be trained to detect medical issue using their keen sense of smell. They are used to diagnose an ailment or to notify their owners when additional medication is required. Most dogs are built to pursue and run, so they can easily outrun a human. The greyhound, on the other hand, is by far the fastest dog breed. A greyhound can easily overtake a cheetah in a marathon. So how does this dog overtake a cheetah? You might wonder. These speedy sighthounds can reach a top speed of 45 miles per hour within seconds of starting to run, while a cheetah can reach speeds of about 70 miles per hour, but they can only maintain this speed for 30 seconds. Greyhounds, on the other hand, could easily run for several miles at a speed exceeding 35 miles per hour. They would quickly overtake the cheetah despite the cheetah's early start. Talking about greyhounds, greyhound is the most ancient dog of any breed. The term greyhound comes from the German word meaning old dog. Greyhounds are also known for their speed, and they have an extraordinary flexible spine that allows them to contract and expand their legs at the same time, allowing them to have all 4 feet off the ground at the same time. If you have a dog, you might notice that their ears moves around a lot. They actually have around 18 muscles responsible for moving their ears. These 18 muscles allow dogs to move their ears in complex ways, which is crucial for their hearing. These allow them to slightly shift the direction of their ears in order to better hear noises around them, and they serve an important role in informing us about how our dogs are feeling. Because so much of a dog's body language is expressed through their ears are crucial in assisting them in communicating with other humans and other dogs. Dogs' ears aren't just for hearing, they are also an important part of their body language, such as ears held naturally suggest ease and relaxation. Raising ears signals attentiveness, and they are usually direction towards a source of interest. Up and forward ears can indicate aggressions. Pull back ears indicate friendliness, and ear flattened to the head indicates submission or fear. Dogs' ears never stop functioning because they can hear things that humans cannot. Even when we are sleeping and everything appears to be silent, they can detect high-frequency noises like your alarm clock pulse, electric buzzing, and even the vibration of termites in the wall. The exact number varies per breed. This is why they are able to rotate, tilt, raise, or lower their ears. They can also move each ear independently. Do our dogs sweat? Answering the question of whether dogs sweat necessitates a study of sweating science. Our bodies are covered in millions of sweat glands. These glands, known as acrine and apocrine, are activated by nerves to help us cool down. Acrine glands secrete a transparent, odorless fluid that evaporates and aids in heat loss. Apocrine glands, which are found in armpits and genital area, exude a viscous fluid that combines with microorganisms on the skin's surface to produce an odor. Dogs have a type of sweat glands called merocrine glands, which is located in dogs' paw pads. Dogs have far fewer sweat glands than people do, making their other natural cooling methods far more vital than sweating. In addition to being few in numbers, dog sweat glands are also inefficient. As a result, dogs rely on additional systems to regulate their body temperatures, a process known as thermoregulation. Panting is the most common mode of thermoregulation in dogs. Heat rises from a dog's chest and escapes through the wetness of his tongue, mouth, and throat as he pants. The moist air evaporates when he exhales during panting, keeping him cool. So even if your dog doesn't have sweaty armpits when he is hot, when he starts panting, you will know he is attempting to cool off. Because dogs can't sweat like humans, it is critical for dogs' owner to take steps to keep their pets cool throughout the summer. Dogs can either be right or left paw, which may surprise you. Researchers have discovered that dogs exhibit laterally in the same way as humans do. Several research have been conducted on this topic, and it has been discovered that dogs, like humans, have a preferred hand or a paw for leading. Dogs' brains are structured similarly to humans, and paw preference is linked to brain's dominant hemisphere. The brain's left side controls the body's right side and vice versa. Unlike humans, where only 10% of the population is left-handed, dogs appear to have far more evenly distributed paw preference. They can't have a preferred paw, which is why biologists call them ambilateral. Being left-handed in a right-handed world is difficult in the human world. Many left-handed people have been retained to use their right hand. But what impacts dogs' paw choice have on dogs? Research is ongoing to see if a pet's left or right paw dominance has any influence on their personality. Right paw puppies in guide training were more likely to complete the training program than left paw puppies, according to early study. Giving your dogs the favorite toy or interactive activity and seeing which paw they use to help them first will reveal whether your dog is right or left pawed. So these were the 5 interesting facts about your favorite pet. Did you know about these facts? Let us know in the comment section, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.